Hello friends.
Hey friends, hi. Welcome to our channel Gulf Job Station.
Yeah. And today we brought to you there is a walk-in in Dubai, UAE, which is from 6th January 2021 to 14th January 2021, and details we are telling you now.
So they have so many requirements for UAE location and the company name is here.
Marina Facilities Management. This is the company name.
And they are into, if we talk about their services, they are into cleaning services, they are into
Maintenance services, property management, TFM consultancy. There are many more, but we will not waste time in this. We'll take you through the requirements.
But still, we want to tell you the website before to start the requirements.
www.marinafm.ae.
Now let's talk about the requirements and the positions.
Yes, that's very important. So as I said, walk-in is from 6th January to 14th January, and major roles are
Engineers.
assistant project manager.
Yeah, the first requirement is for assistant project manager.
He should be mechanical or electrical, BE.
Educational qualification.
Minimum BE
minimum
or above, but the document should be attested.
And total experience should
8 to 10 years.
The next requirement.
Project engineer, again mechanical or electrical, BE or above, attested documents, 8 years experience.
And the third requirement they have for CAFM
Operator. Qualification, educational qualification is bachelor's degree and 3 years plus experience.
The next requirement they have for supervisor,
supervisor
and MEP.
Yes.
We have so many people, we have so many subscribers.
And the good thing is the minimum requirement educational qualification is diploma or above. So
and the document should be
attested. All the documents should be attested. And experience here it is 8 years minimum. The next requirement is multi-skilled technician, MEP. The trade certificates and 4 to 6 years experience. Then we have
the next requirement we have
this is related to the cooling part, cooling jobs, HVAC jobs. HVAC technicians are required. Trade certificate is mandatory and 4 to 6 years of experience. This is the basic thing the HVAC technicians should have. So as I said, HVAC technician, trade certificates mandatory and 4 to 6 years of experience.
Next requirement they have for electrician.
Yes, for electrification.
Trade
certificate again and 4 to 6 years.
4 to 6 years.
Yep.
The next requirement they have for plumber.
Plumber job. Vacancy is there for plumber job, and then trade certificate again it is required.
2 to 3 years experience.
Yep. 2 to 3 years of experience required.
And
then the next requirement is
SCADA or BMS operator.
The BMS, yeah. So SCADA is a software, BMS again it is a software, and then the person should know SCADA and BMS, building management services, yeah. So solution, so that software person should be able to operate this software, and the trade certificate again it is required,
and 2 to 3 years of experience. And
of course
the next requirement they have for civil technician.
Person should know the civil technician job. So yes, we were talking about next role, which is civil technician, and the trade certificate again required with the 2 to 3 years of experience.
And the last requirement they have for painter, trade certificate and 2 to 3 years experience. So
it is
ultimately
required,
you can see they have so many requirements. The first let us repeat the requirements for your comfort.
Assistant project manager.
The first requirement is for assistant project manager.
He should have electrical, mechanical.
The second requirement they have for
project engineer
and mechanical electrical.
Of course.
The third requirement they have for
CAFM operator.
The fourth requirement they have for
supervisor, civil or MEP.
Fifth requirement they have
multi-skilled technician, MEP.
And sixth requirement they have
HVAC technician,
seventh requirements,
electrician,
The 8th requirement.
Plumber,
9th.
SCADA or BMS operator.
The 10th.
Civil technician.
And the last requirement they have for painter.
Yep.
So now let's talk about the address where you need to go for in walk-in interview. So it's immediate hiring, as we already told you, and the walk-in interview date is from 6th January 2021
to 14th Jan 2021.
So today is 7th.
Yeah, still you have lots of time.
So we have 1 week to go and attend the interview. They have 2 locations. One is in Abu Dhabi and the other one is in Dubai. Let's talk about the Abu Dhabi location first.
Villa number B025, Marina Office Park behind Marina Mall, Abu Dhabi. Telephone number is plus 971 241 8900.
And let's repeat the address.
Villa number B025, Marina Office Park behind Marina Mall, Abu Dhabi. Telephone number is plus 971 241 8900.
And the other location is Dubai. The second location is Dubai. Office number 12, first floor, Thambe Clinic building near
Marhaba Mall,
Ras
Al Khor Industrial
Area 3,
Dubai,
UAE, and the number is
plus 971 4320.
717, which you can see now.
Let me repeat it again. I think it's wrong. Plus 971 4321 717. You can see on the screen as well.
So preference for the candidate who can join immediately on visit or cancelled
Employment
visa. Alternatively, candidates can forward CV along with qualification and experience certificate. So they have mentioned their email ID here too,
which is best.
where you can see if you are not attending their interview, you can share your CV. The mail ID is mfm.career@nicuae.ae.
Yes.
The mail ID is mfm.career@nicuae.ae. So these were the requirements and walk-in interviews, which is from 6th to 14th
January
of
2021.
January. So hope it will be useful for you guys. If you are interested, if you are looking job for these positions, you can go for interviews, you can attend the walk-in.
Once again, we'll tell you the email ID: mfm.career@nicuae.ae.
So
Wish you all the best. Whoever is interested, do apply and go for the interview.
if you are not looking for these jobs, if you are not interested, please share the requirements with others so that others can also get the chance to attend the interviews. And if you like our videos, our channel, please do like our videos. And in the comment section, you can tell us for which location, for which video looking jobs, so that we can try to help you guys. And do not forget to subscribe our channel.
Take care. Bye bye.
Thanks for watching. Take care. Bye bye. Have a nice time.